Hello, language fighters. Welcome to Miss Yo-Yo's language class for conversational Chinese. It is a lower intermediate conversational video series for Chinese language learners. Whole series includes 12 lessons, and averagely each is about 35 minutes long with PDF notes. In this series, there is no request for written Chinese, and we will be mainly focusing on speaking in conversations. It is a quick learning series for those who wants to further master lower, intermediate, or Chinese in a very short time. And you should be able to pass HSK Level 3, which is the official Chinese language test. So after learning the whole series, you should be capable to master around 620 vocabularies, and also you will be able to cover the following topics of our daily life, such as big numbers, modal verbs and result complement, bar construction, passive voice, making comparison and detailed descriptions. Also, the usage of conjunctions and serial verbs, asking for reasons, emphasizing factors of the past event. Usage of conditional constructions, also talking about experiences and changes. So each learning video has 3 parts: new lesson, syntax and structures, practice, and reading together. We're not dealing with too many grammar points because we will be providing you with the quickest learning method and also memory key points. Make sure you can understand the logic, rules, and also the regulation of our Chinese language. And then you can make conversations according to what you want to say. PDF and ebook will be given to you once you made your purchase of the whole video series. Those are free and you can always keep them in your iPad or your computer. So that's all I want to say about the introduction of the whole learning series, and hope you can enjoy the process of learning Chinese. It's going to be very easy and quick, also interesting and fast to achieve, as we already brought you the newest language and also the fastest method. So good luck with your Chinese learning, and we will be looking forward to speaking to you.